can see this is a little frustrating for you, right? And I know this is your first time doing this. I just want you to know that I'm here for you, no matter what. And this is tricky. It's scary to get it in. You just jam it in there. You just gotta get it in just right.
I'm trying.
I know, but I don't understand. There. Let me help you. Spin around.
No.
Yahtzee.
You do that for me.
Spin around. Look, like this. Yahtzee! See? It's fun.
You do that for me.
Yahtzee! See, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Alright, just trust me on this. I promise you. You're scared right now. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. I'll take care of you. It's okay. You gotta do it, I'm telling you. It's not gonna work if you don't do it. See?
Fine. Yahtzee.
Alright. See, you're about to get it. You're gonna get some.
Oh my god.
Alright.
I'm trying.
It's okay. Just take your time. Right there. There you go. You got it. You got it. Right there. Alright, now just grip it. Nice and tight. There you go. Alright, and it's good. There you go. Congratulations.